And here we go. Okay. Okay, so the plan for today is to add leaderboard to peakstreak. Actually, let's run dev environment. How do I do that? Nix develop to run the database. Make dev. Okay, good. Damn, these colors are so sweet. Okay, I have to add leaderboard explore. Also, I want to create segmentation by months, how I have it in Figma. Also, I want to add account settings, so you can delete your account and so on. So there are enough things for today. First of all, let me check. Yeah, I also updated a little bit edit menu, so it's like matches, color matches, right? Looks relatively good. I'd probably like to do it other way, but it's okay. Yeah, leaderboard. Actually, that's something I can do with Gemini. How do I do leaderboard? Okay, so the idea is, first of all, I want to add a login system, so every time user updates their habits, it should be logged. And that way, like, every user can see logs of any other user and see if like they're cheating or not, right? Could you please add leaderboard page which would show users with the most days biggest streaks leaderboard should consist of habit cards with user profile being on top of each. Okay, that phrasing is so weird, but I guess I hope they'll understand. Okay, of each. Yep, just like that. Also, how is it gonna be? How do you calculate something like that? It's gonna be really hard to calculate something like that. Also, it means top users are gonna have like just straight all cells filled, which is not like funny. Like, they're gonna be no variety. Damn. Biggest amount of logged days. Each item in the list should be a habit card with user profile right on top of it. Next to user profile should be shown amount of days logged should be shown. Oh, actually I have to commit what I have right now, right? Yeah. Git add all git commit UI habit card habits. How do I call it? Probably UI, but it's like a feature. Color. I guess this one is good. Okay, I guess it's pretty good. Let's run it. There should be two buttons. One with a check mark and one with 3 dots for editing on each habit. Also, why is it completed? It's so weird. Wait a minute. That's so weird. It's actually so weird. How does it work? It's because of an app state? Hello, Enes, hello. Some habit goes hard. Yeah. How are you doing, Enes? I mean, it actually goes hard. It's just like always completed, even though it's not. Just like really weird. Good. Are you grinding chess as always? What elo are you? I'm preparing for my OTB tourneur. What the hell is that? OTB chess, or always a board chess, refer to playing chess using a physical chessboard and pieces. Okay, I see, interesting. So like, do you have any links? Is it like, what level is that? Or is it just like casual? Backend, create new API, endpoint leaderboard, implement database query to rank users by their total number. Status, sure. Yeah, for each user in the leaderboard, fetch their habits for corresponding logs, structure the API response to provide all necessary data. Yeah, good. This casual, not official. Casual. However, winner gets to play against a YouTuber FM. What does FM mean? Like... Damn, I feel bad. Like, really, what does FM mean? Like, famous person? Why FM? Feed master? What is fight? Feed? Oh, I know, it's an organization, right? Okay, interesting. Just title of art by Fate. FID. National Chess... yeah. Okay, and then, after winning Feed master, what are you gonna do next? Assuming you're gonna win him. Do you get like this status of master? Leaderboard view. Okay, right. Index.ts. Just like that? Basically, there are 6 or 7 rounds, and I have to win them all to become first. First, like in tournament. So to become the winner who will go against the YouTuber FM. Okay, that's interesting. It's actually interesting. What do you think your chances are? And like, what are your opponents? Who are they? Say that yes. Because I mean, it sounds kinda tough. Yes, there are rewards for the first 3. My chances are really low. Okay, I see. I mean, but you have like to be convinced that you can do that. Like, you have no right to say that your chances are low. Do you hear me? You just have none. I can say that, right? You can believe me. You just can. You should be convinced you can win everyone there. And honestly, I believe in you. Like, if you will try hard, I'm sure you can do that. Last tournament, I faced against an IM. What is IM? I have no idea what IM is. International Master. What's the difference between International Master and just Master? Is it like next level after Master? We have motivational speech from X for GTA 6. Okay. I mean, I tried my best. If you okay, anyway. Where are handlers? API handlers, let's go. There is no such thing as master, by the way. That's ridiculous. Why though? What's the problem? So they decided to like. Wow. That's really weird. So there is like Grandmaster but no Master? So there is like the biggest monster but just Master, there is like no such title. Routes. There is a Grandmaster, International Master, Candidate Master. So there is like Candidate Master, like which is before Master. Then there is Grandmaster, which is like half a Master, but there is no Master. That's so weird. Fit Master and stuff. I wish each elo had a title. It would be so funny. I'm not sure actually. I feel like numbers are so much more comfortable than titles. They're like they just make sense, you know. Like at least. Looking at the number, I would like understand who is higher, and reading like International Master, Candidate Master, Fit Master, and stuff. Like, how do I know who like who's better? I can assume, but there is no way for me to know. What else? I wish each elo had a... Oh, okay, I already read that. 100 elo people would be Grand Dummy. Damn, that's really mean. As a Grand Dummy, I officially say that was really mean. I took it personally, Ennis, just so you know. What it was, actually? It's Postgres, yeah. Select ID as user ID, username, author URL, count as total log days from user join habits. Wow. Wow. This query is insane. But okay. Repository. You're 800 elo, not anymore. I'm more like 700. How did you even get offended from that? I'm just joking, man, just kidding. Like, it's really hard to offend me, just so you know. Like, but yeah, I'm not 800, I'm 700. I also, like, maybe a few days ago, you can check my profile, I was playing chess, and I, like, won 2 games in a row. But then I figured out I was playing unranked for some reason, I don't know why. Then I, like, turned on ranked mode, and then I lost all the other games, and it was a terrible experience. I don't want to play chess anymore. Also, you say, it is so hard to offend you? Yeah, that's what I say. Do you want to test it? Leaderboard. Damn, how do I... I hate people who try to make a habit tracker. And that's like... it's like maybe the most miserable attempt to offend someone I have ever seen. Not gonna lie, like... people who don't play chess are brain dead. Especially the ones that quit. Did it work? Not really. Not really. It works other way around, it makes me funny. It makes me feel funny. And like I didn't quit chess, I just paused. Right? Let me pull out ChatGPT. Whoa, man! Now it's gonna be some really psychic attack. Okay, ChatGPT gaslights this streamer to think he can offend from himself. Okay, that takes some time. That takes some time. Yay, here we go. Oh, my bad. Copy. Oh, that's not what I want. Copy. GG, 0, visual, capital G, paste. Yay! You're coding a habit tracker. Start by tracking your L's. I'm really curious. I'm so curious what was the prompt for that. I'm really curious what was the prompt for that. Like, don't worry, the habit tracker won't crash like HS3. That's good to hear, honestly. Like, I would not want it to crash. I'm actually really glad to hear that. Your habit tracker should auto-add rage quit chess as a daily test. I mean, I probably should. Probably should. If consistency is the key, you're locked out. This habit tracker better remind you to resign early next game. You... That's ridiculous. You are unoffendable because emotional damage requires emotions. Okay. Okay. Like, the statement is so ridiculous because it's like intended to offend, but it also says that you can be offended. Like, it's so weird. Bro said you can't offend me. Like, he's emotionally on airplane mode. Damn, this is so bad. I'm not gonna lie, it's like, and when you were doing that, it was better. You can't be offended if you never finish a chest opening. ChatGPT cooked this. Okay, I see. Leaderboard. Woo! It looks so good. It actually looks so good. Damn. Damn, it actually looks so good. Wow. It's not the way I was like, not the way I was imagining that, but it still looks pretty good. Hold up, let me pull out my dear friend Gemini. Nah. Okay, now it's gonna be fire. Actually, I feel like I saw LLM creative writing benchmark. Kimi K2 is probably the best one. Yeah, Kimi K2. And I believe creating writing is something you need in that task, right? In what you are doing right now. It's like the main characteristic which is needed. Kimi K2, 03. Cloud Opus 4. DeepSeeker 1. Okay. Switching from chess to coding, you have a tracker, huh? Must be nice to finally have to move where you can be checkmated. True. So you traded the strategic depth of chess for tracking if you remembered to drink water today. Bad move, my friend. Bold move. Bold move. Oh, my bad. Okay. I hear you quit chess. Did you have it track your way out? Okay, this... Okay, this one was not that bad, not gonna lie. It's a little bit funny. Out of it, or did you just get tired of actually thinking moves ahead? You're coding a habit tracker, I bet you. Your most tracked habit is procrastinating on coding the habit tracker. Fuck, how do you know that? This one feels way too personal. A habit tracker, seriously? Couldn't you have coded something a bit more strategically challenging? Like an AH's opponent that actually wins? Can you share the prompt? Like, I'm really curious. Enes, send me the prompt. I trust a habit tracker coded by someone who didn't abandon chess a lot more. Okay, explore. Do I need explore, actually? Actually, yeah, why not? It's gonna be just like random people here. Okay, pretty good. Let's save it. Actually, let's read the code first, like... The more I use Gemini for writing the code, the less I control it. It's like ridiculous. I should not do it that way. So here, what we're doing, we're just creating a leaderboard view, right? Which is good. Here, leaderboard view. User card. It's loading. Error. Okay, okay. I mean, user maps. Leaderboard card. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty good. I was here, state. This state is like insane. Insane good, not gonna lie. It's actually not good. But okay, it works. At least it works. If leaderboard, set view. Okay. Prompt? You mean what I told Gemini? Yeah. Maybe my English is not that good. It doesn't matter, man. Like, do you hear my... Like, let's be honest. Don't you hear, like, all the mistakes I'm making? Who cares? Like, honestly. Set leaderboard data. Set leaderboard error. Okay. Facial leaderboard fix. Okay, types. Enter state. Okay, pretty good. Handlers. Get leaderboard. Okay, we just calling service here. Yeah. Routes. We just add a new route. Nice. Models. Leaderboard rank. User ID, username, author URL. Total log days. Okay. I feel like maybe it can be included, like public user can be just inserted here. Yeah, it can. Okay, I'll do it myself. Get leaderboard ranks. Habits where user ID or... Okay, this one's so weird. Get habits by user IDs. Oh, my bad, it was good. Yeah, and this one I checked already. Gemini, we are messing around with a streamer and he said... you can't offend me. Can you offend him? Information about streamer. He quit chess and he making a heavy tracker. He is. That's like some like perfectly cooked prompt. Actually, Enes, I had an idea. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that actually. Like, I was thinking about learning some like AI stuff, and not like this regular AI with language models, like neural networks, and to write a chess bot, which is gonna be like learned from my games, right? So it's basically gonna be my bot, like bots of popular chess players on chess.com, and then at like a small square on my stream, I don't know, like maybe here or here, I don't know, where also coach, I mean like not really coach, but I mean, yeah, it's like a coach, but it's gonna play in my style, right? So it's basically the bot which gonna play in my style, that's it. And add observer, which will like read Twitch chat, and you as chat are gonna play against this bot, you know? So it's gonna like take the most popular move from chat, the one which is like rooting the most, and play it. And you like could see in real time while I'm doing something. And then I couldn't comprehend my style. I play romantic chess. That sounds interesting. Kinda peculiar. Limit to top 50. Okay, pretty good. Wow, that's a lot of logic. Get habits by user ID, get logs for habits. Logs by habit ID, make. I mean, it works, right? So, it works. Test. Yeah, just mocking it here. Okay, let's just add it. Git add all, git commit m feature leaderboard. Add leaderboard. Round 2. Let's go back. Could you please add explore page on which users could see other random users with their latest logged habit? Oh, I made it twice. Okay, pretty good. 0.7. Actually, I was thinking, how can I prevent people from cheating? Is there any way to do that? Because, like, what's the problem for me to go here, press edit, and then just, like, toggle all the days, right? I can basically just toggle everything and be the top one in the leaderboard. The first thing that comes to my mind is to just, like, how do I call it? How do I say it? Yeah, so, like, do some ratio between days logged and followers you have, right? Hello, Faris, hello. Damn, this, like, axiom sounds so exciting. Okay, I know something wrong. I play romantic chess. I told Jamanel to actually offend you, and here it is. I'm so scared. You're coding a habit tracker. I bet you must. You're coding a habit tracker? I bet you must consistently track habit is finding new ways to avoid a real challenge, like, you know, finishing a chess game. Okay, this actually is as bad as previous one. You said I can't offend you? But let's be real, quitting chess for a habit tracker was already the biggest offense you could commit against yourself. Funny, I thought coding was about creating something new, not just making an app that tells you what you already know you should be doing. Okay, maybe stick to fun structures. They're more complex than your code. Insane. Last one was personal. I would love to watch, but Vitality is playing Phil Strongman. What is Phil Strongman? Hard times. We got kind of what? Split it against Australia's Hyenas. Is it like CS match? Gemini is cooking your entire body bloodline. Phil Strongman. What does it feel strong? What the hell is that? Oh, it's an emoji. Never mind. I feel so stupid. Like I have like this chat, right? Which shows me like the chat from YouTube and Twitch. So if someone writes on YouTube, I can also notice it. And it just doesn't show me the emoji, so I was so confused. Okay, let me rearrange everything here. Fuck, what am I doing? Oh. I'm cooking. Yep, nice. Yes, I am. Cologne. Is it like on Twitch? Probably is. How do I... Vitality? $41,000? Oh. I got an ad. Actually, I should not turn on 2K because I feel my stream can start to struggle. How did I yap too much? Watch your own stream. Don't give credits to these small streamers. We won first map. What do you mean, we?
That they're actually able to fight back into this game, make that second half or that first half, and then actually put some pressure on Vitality.
Vitality is we okay, I see. okay, I mean, whatever. Friends. Oh, I see. Okay, it was an important context. I mean, I just not really. I don't know like Vitality CS team. France, Israel, United Kingdom, Estonia. Okay. I mean, I would say it's more like EU team than France team. Not gonna lie. Crazy. I am Vitality and Vitality is me, Forrest. Save it. Damn, I have... Wow, I just came up with a super idea. I had to create a bot for Twitch, which allows you to save quotes of different chatters, and then you can have a command like ban quote, and it will give you a random quote of a random chatter. Wow, it's a genius idea. I have to implement it. Then I have to write it down. Where do I actually write it? Not to just like leak all my data, because I usually... Then I can just write it on my phone. Katowice? Is it like Poland? How's it called? What I was talking about? Oh yeah, random quote, Twitch, bot. Let's go. Plus idea, saved. We have the best roster of all time. We had a 30-win streak. Katowice, Poland. Yeah, I know. Like, I was in Katowice recently. It's a pretty good city. Is it... Wait, have I just like... They won? I just skipped everything.
A beautifully shaped head, young man.
Yes, that's Vitality, right? So it's like beautifully shaped my head.
During COVID, because couldn't get a haircut back then, and my hair was growing too fast. But it's already been a week and it's going really fast, so yeah. I will be back soon.
You kept your promise though. Was this a deal you made?
What are they talking about? It's so ridiculous. Aren't they supposed to talk about like CS gameplay and everything?
But I didn't because my ex was not happy, and so I didn't do it. But now
I love you,
my
Apex.
girlfriend is still not happy, but
Is it him?
I had to do it.
I appreciate that.
Was it here?
Obviously, you boys running on cloud 9 right now. Not the team, but the feeling. Things are going fantastic.
Okay, interesting.
Coming out of this break.
Pretty interesting. Damn, it gave me file div. Man, why are you doing that to me? Okay, let's run it. Damn, that's way too loud. Run! It's him in yellow, they are all in yellow, man, what do you mean? It's like the team color. Best IGL of all time. Best old guy of all time. What about Scream or Simple? You was like talking like you're a fan of them. Now you're switched to Apex. How do I pronounce that actually? Is it like Apex in Apex Legends? I actually don't know how to pronounce Apex Legends either. Pronunciation. Apex. Wait. Why? Wait. Okay.
Apex.
Yeah, Apex. Best old guy of all time. Scream was the best at the moment. At one moment. Yeah. But Scream is... or Reflare and Apex is... a IGL? I have no idea what... Guys, can you like send messages and next to them send like, I don't know, some dictionary, link to the dictionary or something, I don't know. The role of an IGL. In-game leader, the player who leads the team. So he doesn't play, right? It's like the sixth player, right? Oh no, it's in-game leader, right? So, okay, I see, it's not just, okay. Two different scenes, in-game leader. He gives the calls, he plays, yeah, because it's in-game leader, okay, that makes sense. No, the sixth player is the call. yeah, I see. XTQZZZ. What the heck? How do I need some Python interpreter installed right into my brain. I doubt it's gonna help, but I have to try. Damn, it would be so cool, can you imagine? Like, have an idea, right? And you can like just basically think about the code and interpret it in your head, right? Like you have chip, which basically interprets the code you think about. Damn, that would be so cool. Like you have chip, which basically gets your idea, it automatically like calls LLM. Then after calling LLM, it will like LLM generates the code, that this code gets back to interpreter and then goes automatically into your brain. The answer. Damn, that would be future. His username is say XTAZ. Xtaz? Xtaz? Oh, I see. Like Xtaz? Okay. I mean, like it's pretty funny. It's like cyber sport, esports is generally a really interesting scene. However, like I can't not admit that like Valorant is like much better game. Like CS is just a dying game. Okay, maybe dying is too strong word for CS, but Valorant is like much further than CS. Oh, where is... No, I'm trying to reach base so hard. Sometimes of next map, bye. Okay, see ya. If we win, I'm back. If we lose, I'm gonna turn off the computer and cry all week. It's okay, man. Like, life is not made to always win, you know? Sometimes you lose to get better. Save into the quad bot right now, which we don't have for now. But we are French, you always win. You know what usually happens after you say something like that? I hate to be that person, right? But just like want to introduce some clarity here. I don't know about facts. I'm French again. Okay, that actually makes sense. Wait, but was it like them? Fish TV. Was it what? Was it? CS. Australia's. Where are Australia's from? And what map it is? Oh, 01. Man, poor news. If they like lose this one, they lose completely. Damn. Damn, man. Oh, they are all like... How's it called? I have Denmark. I have like no idea of what flag stands for which country. They're all from the same country. Actually, that might be a huge boost for like in-team communication, I'm gonna lie. Danish, yeah. This should probably like increase team play so much. I assume.
Okay, so he is just holding for this jump up and lovely, yeah, a bit of a jump scare for Apex. A very important trade from Zywoo though. So hold your horses. 45 seconds. Yabi flirting with being the third man on.
Damn, overpass looks so different. Why is it so narrow here? Wow, I've not been playing CS for a decade. Feels like.
Blocks that dumpster smoke, gives himself something different to work around.
That one was ridiculous. Okay. Overpass is one of the worst map ever made. Actually, I can agree. I can absolutely agree. Not gonna lie, Overpass, it was always so frustrating to play on Overpass. However, I feel like in Cybersport people pick an Overpass really often. Maybe they like trying to like pick niche map which no one likes and just grind it until they're gonna be the best one, right? The main models would go. Okay. Explore item. Repo. Get explore items. Okay. Wait. That's so weird. It just doesn't like match any of the previous interfaces. Okay. Postgres go. Services go. Right. Handlers. Okay. Routes. Oh, they wrote service test.go. No way. Actually, no way. I could not believe that. I cannot believe that. Frontend SRC types. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, it works. Nice. Pretty good. Okay, actually I'm pretty satisfied. I guess that's it for today.